Information processing in decision-making refers to the cognitive process of gathering, analyzing, and evaluating relevant information in order to make a thoughtful and effective decision. This process involves several key steps. 1. Identifying the problem. Clearly understanding the issue or decision that needs to be made. 2. Gathering information. Collecting relevant data and knowledge from various sources, such as research studies, reports, experts, or personal experiences. 3. Analyzing the information. Assessing the collected information to identify patterns, relationships, and potential solutions. 4. Evaluating alternatives. Considering different options and the potential outcomes based on the analyzed information. 5. Making a decision. Choosing the most suitable option based on the evaluation, taking into account factors like risks, benefits, and ethical considerations. 6. Implementing the decision. Putting the chosen course of action into practice. 7. Reflecting and learning. Reviewing the outcomes of the decision and reflecting on the process to learn and improve for future decision making.